Hi everyone, you may not realize it, but your Android device could be consuming a lot of internet data in the background. Here are some things that could be causing your internet data usage skyrocketing. So you may consider, I'm going to share with you 5 things you have to consider putting it off or stop using. So number 1, automatic app update. Number 2, data syncing in the background. Number 3, background app refresh. Number 4, video streaming apps and websites like Netflix and YouTube. Number 5, cloud storage. So if you are interested to knowing more about this thing and how you can regulate your internet usage.
Come back. Now we are going to share the 5 things that you should turn off or stop using to help you save a lot of internet data. So the first one is automatic app updates. If you have the automatic or auto update app feature turned on, then your device will automatically download and install app updates in the background. This can consume a lot of data without you even realizing. To turn it off, go to the Google Play Store. Let's go to Google Play Store. Here, when you go to Google Play Store, tap on the 3 horizontal line in the top left corner. Select setting, then auto update, and choose don't auto update app. So it depends. This you can find it in some Android phone, and some you have to tap on your profile ID here. You can see the A here, where the A is. You tap on it like this, and you go to setting. From here, you can see there is setting here. Tap on it, tap on the setting here. After the setting, you can see general. Go to general and come to Google Play Store. You can see it here. App install. Okay, in my case here, you can see we have network preferences, data usage for downloads, auto update. You can see it here. So if you have the same settings as my phone, you just come to network here, tap on it, and come down here. You can see auto update apps. So if you want it to be downloading it, you can leave it like this, or you tap on it like this and choose don't auto update and click OK. Or if you like, you can say over any network. That one, you can use any network to download update. Or you can also choose here the second one, which is over Wi-Fi only. So it will only update when you are connected to a Wi-Fi. Or you can also choose don't auto update until I see it and update it. So I think you have the choice. Now you have the choice. So I will choose don't update. I think this one will help me save a lot of data, and my updates are not going to run in background. That will cause a lot of data usage. So this is the first one. Let's move quickly to the second one. Okay, the second one is syncing. Syncing means your device could be syncing a lot of data in the background, such as your contacts, calendar events, and email. To turn off syncing, go to settings. You can see I have my settings open here. Go to settings. When go to setting here, tap on it, and the good news is you can search for it. Go to the top right corner here, and tap on syncing, SYNC, like this. You can see I have Google Contact Sync, auto sync data, Google Fi setting, sync. You can see all this. So what you have to do is, if you want to go to the manually, go to settings. After setting, go to account. After account, select the account you want to turn off syncing for, and toggle off the syncing setting you don't need. So there is a lot of things going to auto sync here. If I tap on it, you can see account. Tap on it, and from here you can see all my emails, the emails connected to, and all where data are being synced. Office is synced, WhatsApp is syncing, and you can see you can also add some account to be synced. Sync means it will be collecting data from all these emails and saving it for you for future using. So if you don't want, because this is data, it uses internet data to do the syncing. So if you realize that your phone is using, or your Android device is using a lot of data, your data gets finishes soon. Whenever you buy data, you just see it is finished. So go and check all this and try and turn some off, so it will help you save a lot of data. So our next one is background app refresh. Some apps may be refreshing content in the background, such as social media apps and news app. To turn off background app refresh, go to setting, then apps and notification. Select the app you want to turn off background app refresh for, and toggle off the background data setting. The same. Let's go back and look for notification. You can see app or notification, or you can write background app refresh. Let's try that one and see background. So let's see what will come. You can see you have a lot, so I prefer you go into apps and notification. You can see it will be somewhere here. Okay, you can see it here, apps and notification. Tap on it, and from here you can see I have a lot of things, or a lot of programs that runs in the background. You can go to notification here and tap on it and turn all what you don't want their notification to be. So you can turn all the apps that are being synced. All these are work in the background. You can turn them off. So this one to consume a lot of internet data, go and turn them off if you don't want, because most of all these apps, all of them use internet data. So that is why you see your internet data get finished. So this is the third one. Now we are going to the fourth one, which all or a lot of people are guilty of. You all stream videos, so it is video streaming. So you can see video streaming apps like YouTube and Netflix consume a lot of data. To reduce your data usage, you can lower the video quality in the app settings, or download the content for offline viewing. Yeah, that is how I reduce my internet data usage. You go and reduce. Go to the, let's see if I can demonstrate this one for you. Okay, you can see I'm on YouTube here. To lower the video quality, just come here, tap on your profile name, look for settings. After settings, you can see video quality preference. Choose video quality preference. It is on auto. Adjust to give you the best experience for your conditions. So you can see we have higher picture quality here. We have data saver here, lower picture quality. So, and we also have recommended one, auto, which is on auto. You can go to higher picture quality, saver. So all this, we have two category here. Here, video quality on mobile networks, the data we normally use. This is what we are talking about. If you are on Wi-Fi, you can also see this one. You can reduce it from here. On Wi-Fi, you can reduce the video quality on Wi-Fi here. So it is up to you. This is on YouTube. If you have the Netflix, to go to settings and turn and change the video quality, it will save you a lot of data. Okay, now the last but not the least is cloud storage. If you use cloud storage services such as Google Drive or Dropbox, then your device could be using a lot of data, internet data. So to turn off syncing, go to app settings for the cloud storage app and toggle off the sync setting you don't need. Okay, for cloud storage, let's demonstrate with Google Drive. You can see it here. This is Google Drive here. So let's tap on it and go to, okay, let's tap on it and come here on the three dots on the upper left corner here. You can see it. Come here, come to settings. After settings, come down. You can see we have backup and reset. Backup and reset. Okay, choose that one, backup and reset, and come down. Come down, come down. You can see all this will be backing up, and Google account data. You see your Google account data here. So this is what we are talking about. Advanced setting, we have backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data. So it means it consumes a lot of data, especially when you are using mobile data. So if you toggle this on, it will start using your mobile data. So it is, if you toggle it off, it will use metered Wi-Fi data. So if you are using another storage, Google storage, cloud storage, go and do the same thing, and it will save you a lot of data.